guys, I would like to share this good news with you. YouTube Studio has added a new feature whereby you can upload a video directly using the YouTube Studio. Wow, this is great. I've tried it and I see it working. So I want to share this update with you guys. So what you need to do is you go to your YouTube Studio on your phone, you click on the YouTube Studio. If you don't have the YouTube Studio, just go to the Play Store to install a YouTube Studio. Now, after opening the YouTube Studio, at the top, you will see a plus sign at the top. Now, that plus sign is what you are going to make use of to upload directly using the YouTube Studio. Now, if your own YouTube Studio is not showing the plus sign, just visit the Play Store to update your YouTube Studio. Immediately you have updated your YouTube Studio, you should have the plus sign added to it. So what you need to do now, after seeing the plus sign, tap on the plus sign. Then it will take you to where you are going to upload, where you will choose the file which you want to upload. I have the file on my phone which I want to upload. I will click on the file, then I will wait for it to appear. Now, the next thing I have here is the usual, which we normally see when we are uploading using our regular YouTube. Now, the title of the video, the description for the video, the visibility, the playlist, and so on and so forth. Just fill in the details as usual and you are good to go. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like it. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, ensure to subscribe. See you guys next time.